Well, hello everybody. Calvin Vollrath here from St. Paul, Alberta, Canada. I'm going to play you a tune today, but before I play that tune, I want to tell you all about the North American Fiddlers Convention, which is coming to Edmonton, Alberta, October 23rd to the 26th, 2025. This year, it's going to be epic. I've invited 23 of the who's who of the fiddle world across North America to come to Edmonton for this wonderful celebration. I'm celebrating my 50th year in the music industry this year, and we're doing it up big. Go to my website, calvinvollrath.com, to see who's all coming. I'll name a few names. Ivan Hicks from New Brunswick, Louis Schreier from Quebec, Bruce Molsky from New York, Tim Crouch from Arkansas, Red Vogart, a guitar-picking son of a gun from Galax, Virginia, originally from Canada. Played many years with Merle Haggard, an old friend of mine. He's coming up. We've written, all of us, we've written tunes together for a new album that I'm releasing called Collaborations. It's going to be released at this weekend. And so now with the 23, and there's so many more. There's Shane Cook, there's Richard Wood, there's John Arcand, Mark Sullivan. The list goes on and on and on. Go to my website, calvinvollrath.com, to read all about it. I'm just so honored that everybody's coming. There's going to be concerts, there's going to be workshops, there's going to be jam sessions. We're kicking it all off on the Thursday, the 23rd, with my band, Calvin Vollrath and Country Swing, playing classic country music, fiddle music. It's going to be great. Everybody's welcome. Workshops, jam sessions. Go to my website, read all about it. And now let's get to the Harrington Valley Two-Step. It's a tune that I wrote a bunch of years ago. It's become popular. Here we go.